Hi, I'm Lena from Logify, and I will show you in this tutorial how to use Zapier in order to automatically create new rows in a Google Sheet whenever you receive a booking. First of all, set up a Google Sheets document with all the columns that you want in your report. Then go into your Zapier account and click Make a Zap. Choose Logify as your trigger app. On the next page, select New Booking if you want that each new booking triggers the action to create a row in Google Sheets. Then click Save and Continue. On the following page, select your Logify account and click Save and Continue. Then test it to ensure that the connection is working by clicking Fetch and Continue. If the test was successful, then continue to the next page where you choose the app in which you want to trigger an action. In this case, it is Google Sheets, and then select the action Create Spreadsheet Row. Now select a Google account. If you don't have one connected yet, just click Connect a new account. To set up the action correctly, choose the spreadsheet you want to autofill in and choose the worksheet. Now you can see that Zapier automatically lists all your Google Sheet columns, and you just need to connect them with the corresponding Logify fields which you want to export. To be sure your account is properly connected to the spreadsheet, test this app with example data. If the test worked just fine, then give your Zap a name, such as Create Sheets Row for all new bookings, and turn it on. Now if you create or receive a new booking in Logify, you can see that the Google Sheet updates automatically within seconds. If you have any doubts or difficulties, have a look through the articles in our knowledge base, or get in touch with our support team on support@logify.com. They will be happy to help.